What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Andrew. We're back at it today with another video. In today's video, I got a new boot pickup to share with you guys. If you guys watch my YouTube shorts, you guys would have seen the unboxing. And a lot of people were asking if I could do a review and about sizing. So I figured why not make this video. And that boot we're going to be talking about today to be the latest collaboration between Aime, Dore, and Timberland. I believe these boots came out last week. I actually got these in I think about a few days ago. I just haven't had time to do a video. I've been super busy, so I'm super late on this, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video nonetheless. But before we get into it, as always, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram to see how I style all my sneakers and outfits. And with that out of the way, let's get into it. All right, let's start with the box. We got an Aime Dore Timberland box in this beautiful cream colorway with that hit of gold on top. You also have the same branding on the side. Our size label reads Timberland Heritage Mid-Lace GTX Boot, black full grain, size 9.5. There you go. And yes, this is a Gore-Tex boot. And as I mentioned, this is the Timberland Heritage boot. Apparently, these boots haven't come out in the last 15 years. And Aime Dore decided to go into the Timberland archive and bring these back out, similar to what they do at New Balance collabs. Do have some details that came within the box. We have a nice Aime Dore Timberland dust bag right here. Same color as the box, gold branding. Absolutely love that touch. Probably won't use this dust bag to be honest, but very nice. It came with the boots nonetheless. Sets of laces. You get a gold lace if you want to add a nice pop of color. And then you also get a navy lace as well. Personally, I'm leaving the black in. If I was to throw a different lace in, I would probably go with this gold beige color. But yeah, probably just gonna stick with the black, but nice, we got two sets of laces. We also got this Timberland Aime Dore hang tag. I took this off the boot. I don't wear my Timberlands with the hang tag, but if you do, you can keep this on. That's just my personal preference. You got nice Aime Dore branding on the back right there. Nice black leather on this hang tag. So yeah, that's gonna be everything that came in the box. Let's get into the boots. And here they are, the Timberland Heritage Boot by Aime Dore in the black colorway. Now first and foremost, there was two colorways. You can see I got the black ones here, but there also was a brown colorway. Personally, I like the brown a little bit better. The reason why I didn't buy the brown ones is because they sold out on Timberland.com before I could check out, so I had to settle for the black. The reason I wanted to pick them up off the Timberland website is that I would be able to return these if I didn't like them or if I didn't like the way they fit. If you order on ALD, you only can return for store credit. And I don't do a lot of shopping on Aime Dore, so I didn't really want that in-store credit. So I figured, why not pick them up on Timberland? If I don't like them, I can send them back. But don't get it twisted, I absolutely love these, and I've actually been wearing these the last 2 days. The big selling point for me when I saw these was the crocodile leather on the toe box. Absolutely love the way that looks. I think that gives this boot a nice elevated look. And speaking of crocodile print, those Wales Bonner Sambas that just recently came out, those are absolutely fantastic. Wish I could have got those, but the $300 retail price kind of scared me away. But I'm a huge sucker for crocodile leather on shoes. I just think it looks really, really cool and definitely gives these boots a nice touch. Another nice touch on this boot by that crocodile leather is this Aime Dore tag right here. It makes this boot look very, very premium. It is the same tag that came on the hang tag of the boot. The second reason why I went ahead and picked these up is that for some reason, ever since I got the John black leather boots, I've been kind of obsessed with like black leather shoes. I'm kind of on a black leather boot kick right now, and I just felt these would be a good addition into my closet, and it's something different. Also, I really like the low cut of these, and the Gore-Tex played a big factor in that decision as well, because I know these are going to be great in the winter. I do live in the Chicagoland area, so I definitely want a Gore-Tex boot, something that's going to be durable, weatherproof, that gets me through those cold, rainy, snowy days. If you live in like Florida, you definitely don't need a boot like this, I will say that. Getting into the black leather feels really premium. This is an Aime Dore collab. I know with pretty much every Aime Dore collab I've gotten, mostly New Balances, their craftsmanship, their quality has always been on point, and these Timberland boots are no exception. Also, I love this suede up here in brown. I think this gives this a really nice touch to kind of add just a little pop of color on there. Not too much, but it goes in very nicely with the shoe and honestly blends in pretty perfectly with the color of this tag. In terms of Aime Dore branding, you really don't get much ALD branding on the shoe besides on this tag. you do get a Timberland Aime Dore logo on the insole. However, on the outsole, there is no Aime Dore branding, which is kind of disappointing. Honestly, I'm not sure why they didn't add ALD to the outsole, but no one's gonna see the outsole, so I guess it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. In terms of the tongue, you do get a nice leather tongue, and it just has Timberland. And overall, I just really like the way these look. As I mentioned, I have been wearing them, and something that I love about these boots is that they're so easy to get on. In comparison to my 6-inch premium Timberland boots, those are kind of a little harder to get on. With these, I feel like I could just slip these on and go. I don't really have to worry too much. Now, in terms of sizing, which was the big question a lot of people had, on the ALD website, they said to go a half size down. In my personal opinion, these run big. I actually went down a full size, so I got these in 9.5. My true sneaker size is a 10.5. If I had to be a tad picky on the sizing, I would say that these fit even a smidge big, and that if I wanted a true 1-to-1 fit, I probably should have went with a size 9. However, I'm totally cool with the 9.5. It's not too tight, it's not too big. Honestly, it's perfect. I still have a little bit of room. So definitely, if you're looking to pick these up, I would go down a full size from your true sneaker size, and you should be good. If you have super narrow feet, you might want to go down a full size and a half. But if you don't want to risk it, I would just go down a full size and you should be good. Now, in terms of getting this boot, obviously the Aime Dore collab is now sold out. So unfortunately, if you want these, you'll have to go to StockX. However, Timberland just dropped this heritage boot without the Aime Dore branding. They have an all black colorway, and I believe they're on sale for $115. So if you're interested in this style and you don't really care about the ALD branding, you could pick up the Timberland Heritage boot on their website, and you could also try them on, and if you don't like them, you can return them free of charge. So I'll link those down in the bio if you guys are interested in this boot. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. You guys let me know what you guys think about these in the comments down below. It is your boy Andrew. I'm signing out. Hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.